Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. Today we're going to talk about the Guru Degas. We already talked about there's a 6th Degas. It's called a Guru Dega. The Guru Degas means it's all the 5 categories you have to pass, and then 5 Degas you pass. After the 6th Dega, you can get for Guru Dega. Guru Dega is one of the incredible Dega. You can get it from for becoming a Guru. Means you learned all the intellectual things for the Guru, all the experimental yourself, experiment of all the 5 Degas, and then you become a Guru Dega. Guru Dega, it's more about how you teach all the physical, mental, soul art together. So mental art, physical art and soul art all together. All the art source will be recorded into be a soul memories. And that soul memories is a travel to generation, or you can be a Guru. You can't born and learn as a Guru. You can born as a Guru. So some souls is born as a Guru. You see sometime the children was born with 2-3 years, they were very intellectually they talk. It means they already learned and born. So they're not just born and learn. So they'll already learned and born and then teach this. Teach their parents, teach this world. So different things they will teach. That is called Guru Dega. Guru Dega is one of the process of learning different things. All the 360 dimensions of learning you have to do. Not for one directions you will learn. So all directions you will learn. That is called Guru Dega. And Guru Dega, it's a process of knowledge. So you all the art experiments become your knowledge. That is become a Guru. It's a Guru means something. It's not a special platform. Guru means is a education platform, knowledge platform. It's a Dharma platform. So the different platform, different things you learn from a different, like a Kshatriya Dega is one of the platform. Different platform you can learn Guru Degas. Okay. So become a Guru, you will be learn after 5 Degas, and 6th Degas become a Guru Degas. Anyone have the comments, you write about it. Thank you so much. Bye.